Hello to all dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Vocabulary of family members. Father. Father. My father is a doctor.
My father is a doctor.
My father is very kind.
My father is very kind.
My mother cooks delicious food.
My mother cooks delicious food.
My mother cooks dinner.
My mother cooks dinner.
Sister, sister. I have a kind sister.
I have a kind sister.
My sister likes to read books.
My sister likes to read books.
Brother, brother. My brother is younger than me.
My brother is younger than me.
My brother plays football.
My brother plays football.
Sisters. Sisters. My sisters play with me every day.
My sisters play with me every day.
My sisters are going to the park.
My sisters are going to the park.
Big brother, my big brother helps me with my schoolwork.
My big brother helps me with my schoolwork.
My big brother helps me with homework.
My big brother helps me with homework.
Big sister, my big sister reads me bedtime stories.
My big sister reads me bedtime stories.
My big sister is studying at university.
My big sister is studying at university.
Baby. Baby. The baby is learning to walk.
The baby is learning to walk.
The baby is sleeping in the crib.
Baby is sleeping in the crib.
Grandfather, my grandfather tells great stories.
My grandfather tells great stories.
My grandfather tells interesting stories.
My grandfather tells interesting stories.
Grandmother, my grandmother lives with us.
My grandmother lives with us.
My grandmother bakes delicious cookies.
My grandmother bakes delicious cookies.
My uncle is very funny.
My uncle is very funny.
My uncle works in a bank.
My uncle works in a bank.
My aunt visits us often.
My aunt visits us often.
My aunt visits us every weekend.
My aunt visits us every weekend.
Parents. Parents. My parents take care of me.
My parents take care of me.
My parents go to work every day.
My parents go to work every day.
My cousin and I play together.
My cousin and I play together.
My cousin is my best friend.
My cousin is my best friend.
Son. Son. My son loves to read books.
My son loves to read books.
My son likes to play with toys.
My son likes to play with toys.
My daughter is very smart.
My daughter is very smart.
My daughter loves to draw pictures.
My daughter loves to draw pictures.
My husband is a great cook.
My husband is a great cook.
My husband is very supportive.
My husband is very supportive.
My wife works as a teacher.
My wife works as a teacher.
My wife enjoys gardening.
My wife enjoys gardening.
Father-in-law. Father-in-law. My father-in-law is very kind.
My father-in-law is very kind.
My father-in-law is a retired teacher.
My father-in-law is a retired teacher.
Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. My mother-in-law makes delicious food.
My mother-in-law makes delicious food.
My mother-in-law makes great food.
My mother-in-law makes great food.
Brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. My brother-in-law plays football.
My brother-in-law plays football.
My brother-in-law plays the guitar.
My brother-in-law plays the guitar.
Sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. My sister-in-law is a good friend.
My sister-in-law is a good friend.
My sister-in-law loves to dance.
My sister-in-law loves to dance.
Family. I like to be with my family on weekends.
I like to be with my family on weekends.
My family helps me, and I help them.
My family helps me, and I help them.